Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bike stands that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Bike Stands. Even though bike shops have been deemed an essential business during the pandemic, that doesn't necessarily mean your local shop is open or that the line to get your bike serviced isn't weeks long. Besides the bonus of staying safe at home, repairing your own bike has other advantages. You save time, keep money in your pocket, and get to learn the inner workings of your bicycle. Number 5. Topeak Lineup Bike Stand. A lightweight, tubular folding stand for storing and displaying bicycles. A spring-loaded arm stabilizes the front or rear wheel and accepts wheel diameters from 20 inches to 29 inches. Main features: compact and folding stand. Material aluminum. Weight 1.5 kg. Number 4. Gear Up Platinum Steel 2-Bike Gravity Stand. 3 dimensions of adjustment to accommodate any style of bike. Racks can carry as many as 4 bikes. No permanent installation required. Main features: heavy-duty steel tube construction. Designed rubber storage arms. 120 pounds capacity. Number 3. Cycling Deal Floor Parking Rack Storage Stands. The height is adjustable to fit nearly all bikes. Additional support on top of wheel tire will ensure extra stability when you park the bike. The rack will not touch the rim. Main features: durable quality and portable. Adjustable design. Easy to install. Number 2. Bike and Bicycle Floor Type Parking Rack Stand. A simple one-pull knob will allow to fold the stand into a flat shape within a second, saving storage when not in use or to carry it into the car when going riding. Main features: most stable bike stand. Foldable and portable. Lifetime warranty. Number 1. Deco Brothers 5-Bike Bicycle Floor Parking Adjustable Rack Storage Stand. Adjustable provides a flexible way to be expandable for the racks. The bicycle rack provides a convenient way to store your bikes either and/or. Main features: fine powder-coated steel resist. Easy to assemble. Stable floor rack. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.